Today, we're going to talk about how to make better videos. My name is Nick Bonatadovas, and this is Digital Champions, the show about helping you master the digital marketing world. Number one, educate. It's the most important thing. Educating our audience. How are we creating content that's going to help them get the results that they want in their life and or business? Educate them. No matter what this is super impactful. Look, if you're a coach, we need to make sure that we have the credibility, and the education is how we do that. We show that we are smart and we know what we're talking about. You're a real estate agent. Letting people know what are the things that they should know when buying a house. What do they need to know? How much should they have? How much are they going to buy? Education is key so that your customers can make the best decision regardless of whether or not they choose you, and it's going to make you the expert. The next thing you can do is empower them. I'm a big believer in empowering people. It's part of my brand, but it really makes a huge difference if you can inspire people to make the decisions that they want. Make them do the things that are going to make them successful or be effective. If you can take the time to really make them feel good. Again, people don't remember what you said, they remember how you made them feel. So if you can empower them, it's going to make a huge difference. Empower them. It's going to make a huge difference so that you can succeed. And you'll see, there's 3 E's. And number 3 is entertain. Look, business doesn't have to be boring. Business can be really fun. If we can entertain and add our own spice and our own flair in what we do in our marketing effort, it's going to make things so much better. It's going to make it better for them. It's going to make it better for us, because we're just going to have more fun when we can create some entertainment. So our videos, when you're thinking about the video content, is you want to make sure that you have at least 2 out of the 3 of these things in each of your video content. All right? This is super impactful, super helpful. If you can do all 3, obviously that's going to be the best. I like to have fun in my videos, be a little entertaining, maybe have some jokes, have some quotes that empower them, but educate them and give them content that's going to be super effective to help them grow their businesses or get the results that you do for your audience. The 3 E's. Don't forget it. You won't. I know, and empower is an E, not an I. Have a good one. One more thing, if you like this video and you want to learn how you can generate leads consistently like I do in my business using video, check out my free training. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/video. I will see you there.